Welcome to science class. Good morning, my dear students. We are learning chapter 1 Human Body, the Circulatory System. Today we'll be learning about keeping our heart healthy. Our heart is very hard working organ. It works for us throughout our life. It does not take rest. When we are asleep also, it is pumping the blood. Hence, we need to take care of our heart and keep it healthy. The best way to do it by adopting a healthy and active lifestyle and taking care of our food habits. Some tips will help us improve our heart and keep it healthy. We need to exercise at least 30 minutes every day, preferably in the morning. We can walk 3 to 4 kilometers every day or do some activities like yoga, swimming, cycling, playing outdoor games like football, cricket, hockey, etc. We should avoid using vehicles for short distances. We can walk or use a bicycle. Avoid using vehicles. We should avoid sitting still for long periods for watching TV or sitting and gossiping. We should get up from our seat and walk for a while and then come back to the sitting posture. And we should sit in a right sitting posture. We should eat a healthy and balanced diet. Food rich in iron minerals is especially good for producing blood. We should also avoid junk food and fried food. These are not good for our heart. We should try and achieve an ideal body weight. We should drink a lot of water every day. We should avoid fizzy carbonated drinks. Your favorite cold drinks should be avoided. And you should drink around 2 to 3 liters of water, 7 to 8 glasses of minimum water daily. We should avoid staying from polluted surroundings. We should avoid the polluted surrounding. We should stay happy and relaxed and avoid stress. We should laugh a lot. We should make good choices as we grow older. Smoking and drinking are not good for our health, therefore, they should be strictly avoided because both of them, smoking and drinking, troubles our heart. Yoga for healthy heart. Along with exercises, we can do some yoga asanas also to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If not only keeps us fit and healthy but also helps in curing most of our ailments, some benefits of practicing yogas are like this. Yoga increases the strength of our muscles, improves the flexibility of the muscle, and boosts the stamina of the body. Yoga improves concentration, attention span, and memory. Yoga helps in reducing the weight. Yoga helps in relieving the pain in joints of people suffering from arthritis, the different joint pains. It helps in regulating blood pressure, sugar, means diabetes, cholesterol levels in body and keeping the body healthy. It helps in decreasing stress, anxiety, anger, and improves the quality of life. Some of the yoga exercises are which are good for heart. They are Tadasan, the mountain pose, Vrikshasan, the tree pose, Bhujangasan, serpent pose, and Dhanurasana, bow pose. Yoga is often combined with deep breathing exercises and meditation. Deep breathing exercises improves the functioning of lungs and circulation of blood. Meditation reduces stress and helps clear our mind of all negative thoughts. So this is how we can keep our heart healthy by exercising, by doing yoga, by eating balanced diet, avoiding junk food, and doing these handful useful things to keep ourselves healthy. Keep smiling, keep your heart healthy. Keep smiling till we meet. Thank you, children, for watching me. Thank you. Have a great day.